In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Temu. Whether you're on the mobile app or using a web browser, the process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can check out with confidence. First, open Temu, give the app or page a moment to load, and make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you're signed in already, great. If not, just be ready to complete payment as a guest or log in when prompted. Next, add items to your cart. Browse for what you need. Choose the right size, color, or variation, and confirm the quantity. It helps to read the product details and reviews so there are no surprises later. When you're happy, add the item to your cart and continue shopping or move on to payment. Now tap or click Cart. This brings up everything you've selected. Take a second to review each item, check quantities, and remove anything you don't want. You'll usually see any store-wide discounts or promotions reflected here, along with an estimated total. When everything looks right, tap or click Checkout. This takes you to the payment screen where you'll choose how you want to pay. You can select from credit card, debit card, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Temu Credit. Apple Pay and Google Pay typically appear if your device supports them. Temu Credit can be used if you have a balance available. After picking your payment method, enter your payment details. For cards, type the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information exactly as it appears with your bank. If you're using PayPal or a mobile wallet, you'll be redirected or prompted to authenticate securely. Make sure you're on a secure connection and only enter details on the official checkout page. Before you pay, review the total amount. Confirm the item costs, shipping fees, taxes, and any credits or savings applied. If the numbers don't match your expectations, pause and double-check your cart rather than proceeding. When you're ready, tap or click Place Order. You may see a quick verification step from your bank or your wallet. Follow the prompt and wait without closing the screen. The system will process your payment. Finally, wait for payment confirmation. You should see an on-screen confirmation with an order number, and you'll usually receive an email as well. If confirmation takes a moment, that's normal. If you don't see it after a reasonable time, avoid submitting payment again until you've checked your order status. That's it. You've successfully paid on Temu.